Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first video, hi, I'm Alaina, and this is The Organized Money, where we talk about planning life and managing money. Today's video is going to be on my June planner setup. I have decided to start doing monthly setup videos just so I can share with you guys the different changes that I have made within my planner, because I'm always switching things up, always changing and making tweaks to make sure that my system is working for me. So the first thing is my tool cover. This has not changed. I really love this cover. It's very minimal, it's very smooth, it's like a black leather feel, and I really love this cover more than the Happy Planner cover because it has pockets. So there are two smaller pockets here and then one longer pocket, and I just keep my business cards, my thank you cards, and sometimes I will stick stickers in the inside here, and I really love the sleekness and the feel of this. If you want one of these, they only fit the Happy Planner Big, but I will link it in the description box below. So if you have a Happy Planner Big, you can definitely purchase one and use it for that. But if you have a classic size or a mini, they do not sell them in those sizes. It only comes in the letter size. So I have made a couple of adjustments to the inside of my planner. And the first thing that you'll see is this planner, which is the leopard one, and this is my business planner. I was going to use this as my catch-all planner, but I have quickly realized that I really am an hourly planner girl. I thought I would get adjusted to being vertical and be able to just kind of make it to where I can adjust the times and use my planner that way, where I use each box for certain time frames, but it just is not working for me. I really miss the hourly layout. So what I have decided to do is I ordered some Happy Planner inserts, the hourly inserts, because I was looking for an actual Happy Planner Big hourly, but I could not find one. They were sold out everywhere. So I just decided to get the Happy Planner inserts Big in the hourly format, and I'm going to put that in front of this one so that I can have a section where I can look at on a daily basis and kind of know what exactly I have to do for that day. So this planner will actually be my business planner, and the first thing that I have in here right now is my table of contents, just everything that's actually in here, and then I have my inbox. So my inbox is the place where I will kind of use as a catch-all notebook, meaning that if different meetings happen throughout the course of the day, different things that need to be just like notes I need to just jot down, I will put them in this section, and I will just kind of write whatever comes to my mind. Doesn't have to be neat, and then at the end of the day I will move it over to another section if it needs to be processed, or if it's something that needs to be added to my calendar, then I will do it at that time. I love having this spot right here. It's basically just another way of saying notes, but it's a way that I can just keep track of different random things that happen throughout the course of the day that I may not want to write in my planner, but I need to write down, because I've realized I'm the type of person that needs to write down everything. So after you get past my inbox section, then it goes into my actual business planner, which is the leopard planner. I have added an insert for the month of June, and this is just the 6-month extension insert so that I can keep track of everything that I need until I'm able to use my planner in July. And for the calendar here, I have just written out all of the numbers, and then I just started keeping track of different things that I have to do in different color pens. This is the first time I'm actually using different color pens in this way, but I wanted to try it out just to see how I would like it. So I have YouTube in red here, I have church in green, and I have business in purple. I also have other stuff that's going on just in black, so black could be almost anything, but I do have specific colors for like YouTube, business, and for church. I want to just see how it works out for me if I like it. On the next page, I just have all of the details for the week for my business. So this could be my YouTube videos at the top here. I also have a little insert for my Instagram posting, and I'm also going to keep stuff on courses, on clients. All of that will be in this planner, and my social media analytics. It will be a bunch of things, but anything that is business related will go into this planner. So like I said, I'm using the insert for June just so I can kind of get used to the flow. But when July comes, I'll be actually using this planner. The next section that I have is actually for my content, which is still business related. It's still in the first section of business, but it is where I write out all my outlines. Like I will script different things that I want to put in the video, that I might want to post on Instagram, some quotes that I might find that I feel like my audience would really love. And so I just like to have a section in my planner where I can just jot down different things that are business related that I might want to post, share, or teach later on. The next section is actually my client section. So I meet one-on-one with clients, and it could be in the financial arena if they need personal finance help, or with their business. And so I have just here just like my 8 steps for financial freedom, and this is just something that I will go over with clients. But then I also have my client intake form, so I will keep notes and different things from our meetings in here and just kind of jot different things down just so that I know I have a place where when we're meeting I just can, you know, take notes and remember, because I have to write everything down. But I love having this section because if I'm on the phone with a client, I can easily flip to their page and write different things down and transfer it to my computer later on, and then I'll just get rid of this sheet. And I also have some paper in the back for the same purpose. If I'm talking with a client, then I'm able to jot down notes on this journal paper. And I did get questioned on the journal paper. This journal paper that fits into my Happy Planner Big is one that I sell. It's in my Etsy shop. If it's something that you wanted to pick up, make sure that you check the description box below, and I will have a link to it there. The next section is very new. I was trying my best not to do another planner, but I just realized I'm a multiple planner type girl. I try and, you know, condense it as much as I can, but sometimes in order for me to stay organized, I have to keep certain things in sections so that I don't get too confused or combobulated with different things that's going on in my life. So this is actually going to be my church planner, and I'm using this to keep track of the different things that's needed for my church. If you guys didn't know, I am the CFO of my church, meaning that I handle all of the finances at my church, and I run the day-to-day business operations over there for the area of finance. So since that's the case, I did want to have a dedicated spot for the different things that's going on with the church's finances. This is one that I do not share with you guys. I normally skip over this section whenever we are doing videos or I'm talking about different things. I rarely talk about my church planner, but I do have one just because I'm just sharing this entire planner and it's blank right now. I do have one, and it is something that I'm keeping within my entire system because I do need it on a daily basis whenever I'm doing different things for my church. And the next planner you are very familiar with because it is my budget planner, and this is the one where I am constantly sharing with you. More than likely every Monday we are going through my actual budget and talking about the different things that's in my budget planner. I really love this planner. I am really loving this system, especially now that it's actually included in one book. Like I have one book for everything because I don't have to go out and try and find my other books in order to like keep planning my life. Like everything is right here, and I love having everything at my fingertips, even though it's still a Franken planner, meaning that I have multiple planners in one. I love the fact that everything is in one book. So this is my budget planner. It did not change at all. It's not going anywhere anytime soon. I really love this planner. And if you are interested in this one, this of course is something that I sell in my shop. It's something that I created specifically to help me with my money and help me get everything kind of going financially. So if you're interested in seeing, I've done a million videos on this planner. So it's still there and it's definitely rolling over to June. So this is my setup. I will say that the only thing that I'm feeling kind of off about is my daily planning, because like I said, this is my business planner. I have my work planner in here. I have my budget planner in here. I do want a daily planner, but I really want it to be an hourly one. So I might end up using the inserts for now. I'm going to see how that's going to work for me. If I'm able to just use the inserts until December, because I don't think that Happy Planner will come out with another hourly planner until December. If I can't make the hourly inserts work, then I may move over to my Erin Condren just to help me with the daily planning until I can get another hourly Happy Planner. But other than wanting the hourly planner for my daily planning, I am really loving this setup. It is really working well for me, and it's very, very sleek. It's really not that heavy at all, and I have everything that I need all in this one book. And even though it's multiple planners in here, it's still one book. It's very condensed, and I can plan my entire life with this one thing. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have any questions, comments, or anything else that you want to see from this channel about my planner or about money in general, make sure that you leave it in the comments below. I would love to talk to you about it. Until next time, keep organizing your life so you can achieve your dreams. Bye guys.